welcome everybody. In this video, we're going to get started with Rails. So far, we've learned a bit of Ruby. We learned some Ruby strings, some Ruby numbers, and we even jumped into Ruby methods. And now we're going to start with Rails. And to start a new website with Rails, the command is Rails new, and then the name of it. So we're going to pretend that we have like an animal shelter, and we're going to track the pets that we have in our shelter. So you see the keywords here, create. Um, it's creating a lot of stuff for you. You see all this? It's creating the views, which are basically like the pages, the web pages. Um, so it's really like a powerful tool that saves you so much time. So, okay, now after you create this site called Shelter, you have to use the Linux command cd, which means change directory. Okay, cd, that means we're going to that new folder, Shelter. All right, and then Rails generate, and I'm gonna use the shortcut Rails G for generate, scaffold, and yeah, I'm running out of room on the screen here. I think it's going to wrap to the next line though. Rails generate scaffold pets. So that's going to be the name of the thing that we're tracking. So pets, we want to have weight, GHT, integer. We want to have name, which is going to be a string. And you guys remember what strings are, right? We want to have age, integer. And do you know what an integer is? I don't know if we went over integers, but that should be something you hopefully remember from high school math or your math class. Integer is just like a positive, or I think it has to be a positive number, just like a regular number, not a negative number, not a fraction. You know. Okay, so we want to track weight, name, age, species, and the default is string, so really you don't have to type this if it's going to be a string. So species, what else do you track on a pet? Spayed, neutered. What else do you track on a pet? Owner. I can't think of anything else. See, it's creating your whole website for you pretty much. So then all you really need to do is Rails S, which is Rails server. That starts the server. And we just need the IP address, 139.141. So there it tells me my website is now running on that IP address and that port. Oh, I forgot a step. Okay, Okay, let me Control C to stop the server from running. Okay, after you do a generate scaffold, Rails is creating all the pages, and it's also creating the database table. So you have to do something called a rake, which instantiates the database. So now that needs to run. And you see it created the table. And so now we'll go up arrow back to the server and let this start the server again. And now the server's running. It's running on that IP address and this port 3000 is the default. And you can change that by, instead of, you could do Rails S-B and the IP address, and then -P for the port number. So anyway, let's get back to our new website here, and you get the default message saying that your site is up and running, but now we need to go to the pets, basically the pets database. So now we have a fully working web application. Now we can add a new entry here. Let's say this is a I should have put the species first. Let's say it's a dog. Weight, let's say it's 80 pounds. Name is Spot. Age 2. Spayed. No. Neutered. No. Owner. Mr. Truman. Create pet. And all of this is customizable. It's easy and quick if you do the scaffold and you get the ordering right and you get all of the records that you want in here the first time. Then it's so quick, and we have a full-on database. We have a full web application. Let's see. All right, so now we've got 2 records in our database. We can specifically go to each one and look at the details. And if you want, you can customize all of this, and you can style this, which that would be called like front end development, which I'm not the best at front end. I can make a website look decent. I can make it look good. I can make it so that this is spaced out better, but I personally, I like to focus on functionality of the web application. I think Ruby on Rails is really a better alternative to keeping information in spreadsheets. So I usually will, since as you can see, it takes so little time that anything that I like to track or need to track in a spreadsheet, I will usually transfer that from the spreadsheet to a web application. It's just so much easier to work with it when it's in a web application. So yeah, this is just a short, quick video because Rails is quick. So I'm gonna go ahead and end this video. That's really all I wanted to show you is how powerful Rails is. It's the most amazing thing ever. I don't know why anybody would want to track something in a spreadsheet if you don't have to. So yeah, anyway, that's it. Please like the video. Click the thumbs up button. I know you people, if you watch YouTube, you hear people say that all the time, but I would appreciate it. I'm just doing these videos because I love Ruby, and I want to show people how, like, look at this. I mean, how cool is that? And like I said, you can make it look better and everything. But anyway, yeah, please subscribe to the channel. That way you'll get notified whenever I post new videos, and comment if you don't understand something, or if you want me to go back over something, or if you just like the video and want to say, cool video. That's all good to me. Right, and I think that's about it, guys. Thanks for watching.